Hi there. Welcome to Mr. ASquare Tech channel and my robotic voice. In this video, we will see how to add timestamps or chapters to a YouTube video. Let's get started. Open any standard web browser and open YouTube. At the top right corner of the window, click on the profile. In the menu, click on the YouTube Studio. In the left-hand side menu, click on the Contents. This is where all our videos are listed, and any video can be edited from here. Now, go to the video you want to add timestamps to and click on Edit icon. YouTube Video Editor will be opened. Let me open this video in another tab so that I can use it as a reference to see exactly where to add the timestamps. This is where my intro started. Now, let's go back to the Edit Video page. Now, go to the video description. To add the intro timestamp, write intro and specify when the intro time starts in the format shown in the video. In this case, it is 0:00. Let's add another timestamp. This is where the video starts. So let's add video timestamp. Let me quickly add all the timestamps. Once you are done, click on Save to apply the timestamps for this video. Now let's refresh the page to see the timestamps. As you can see, the timestamps or chapters are added to the video. That's it, guys. What are you waiting for? Add the timestamps and give the user a very good viewing experience. Thank you so much for watching, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you in another video with my robotic voice.